Hello everyone, I'm Dhanushka Karachi and I'm an impressional language instructor. In this video clip, I'm interested in the character of English language is described vividly. Ernest Hemingway is one of the eminent American writers that belonged to the early of the 20th century. He was born on 21st of July 1899. Ernest Hemingway had miscellaneous characteristics in his character, and he engaged in various jobs in various countries. When I talk about his marriage life, he married the 4 times. When the time elapsed, his health condition was getting worse. He had suffered from depression. While he was in America, he bid farewell from the world by committing suicide finally. He left the world, but he left a bulk of remarkable masterpieces of literature for us. He was so skillful that he won the Nobel Prize for Literature. Ernest Hemingway made his first published by the Bonnet and Liverside in 1925 in the short story The Collection in Our Time. In the next video, the clips that I expect in discussing about the short story Cat in the Rain by Ernest Hemingway. It is the short stories about an American husband and a wife on vacation in Italy. It is so interesting that you can enjoy these stories in my next clips. Anyways, I am going to conclude the biography of Ernest Hemingway. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please be kind enough to subscribe on the channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest videos. See you again.